The next exercise is located on page 4 on the Communicate Graphically booklet. And on this section of graphical communication, we're going to be looking at different types of lines. And for this exercise, all you're going to need is a ruler and a pencil. On the left-hand side, you have the names of each line. You have the construction line, the outline, center line, and fold line. The first line that we're going to be drawing is going to be the construction line, and it has to be always drawn as a faint line. As you might have been shown, construction lines are only used for lines used in working. Now on the right-hand side, we have the given example. So, to practice, right underneath the given line, we're going to draw a new construction line. Remember that construction lines are to be drawn as faint as possible. Next, we have the outline. The outline has to be always drawn as a bold line. Now we use outlines normally to show a final shape right after drawing it with only construction lines. Now, parallel to the given line, we're going to be drawing a black bold outline. While drawing an outline, make sure that you put a little bit more pressure on the pencil. Then we have a center line. A center line usually shows the center of a circular shape. Here on the right-hand side, we have an example of a center line. And the center line is usually comprised of a long line, a short line, a long line in the center, a shorter line, and then another long line. So let's try and replicate a parallel line to this center line. So let's start one long line, a short line, a long center line, another short line, and let's end with another long line. Make sure that the lines you're drawing are medium black. Then we have the fold line. A fold line is a line where it usually shows you where the object is to be folded. Now let's practice by drawing another fold line in parallel to our example. Now the fold line is made up of a long line, and then in between the gaps there are two shorter lines. So let's start. First, let's draw a long line. Then you're going to draw two shorter lines, another long line, then two short lines, and the pattern repeats. Make sure that the line that you're drawing is medium black. Now see you on part 2 of this video, where I'm going to be applying these lines to an object which must be folded.